to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a real fun fusion recipe. It is my Peking chicken sausage rolls. It sounds a little bit crazy. It's not. These things worked out amazing. Alright, really easy to do. Here I've got about 2 tablespoons worth of hoisin sauce, and I'll also put in about a tablespoon's worth of mirin. I forgot to switch the camera on. Yep, that's me and my MS for you. We're simply just going to mix those two together, and the mirin's just going to sweeten up the the hoisin sauce a little bit, and also thin it out so we can create what we are going to do in a minute. Right, Mrs. KP went to the supermarket. She's just bought some chicken sausages, and all I'm going to do is slice from one end to the other through the casing. I'm just going to make a nice little slot all the way down through all these sausages, because we're going to stuff these sausages, right? We're going to get an incredible flavour out of these, and this is a very quick, easy, budget way to create something special out of not a lot, right? So here I've got some spring onion, which I've cut vertically. Just cut them in half vertically, and I've cut them basically almost the size of the sausage, and all we're simply going to do is, in those little grooves that we've cut, we're going to stuff the sausage with the spring onion or scallion, right? So just keep going along and keep stuffing those in, and don't worry, they're not going to come out once we finish making up these sausage rolls. And if this looks complicated, it is not. It's not going to take you very long at all. As you can see, I am cutting off the little tails at the end where we've got a little bit of excess spring onion. So we're just going to make these fit just nicely, and we have full impact with our scallion flavour. Alright, they're all done. They're ready to go. Now it's time for us to start making up our sausage rolls. So here I've got a sheet of store-bought puff pastry, and that little sauce that we just made up, we're going to basically paint the first little bit of our pastry with that hoisin and mirin mixture, and that's going to give you the Peking duck or Peking chicken type flavour to this particular dish. Alright, very, very simple. Normally Peking duck does have a crunchy skin. It's, you know, a real complicated process. Look, this is just a quick way to get those flavours into something that you can just hold in your hand, serve at a party or whatever. So we've laid out from end to end some of our chicken, and as you can see, these sheets of pastry use 1.5 sausages. Very, very simple. So you can do your math as to how many sheets of pastry you need to take out and defrost. We're just going to roll those up just like I'm doing there, like a big sushi roll, and we want a little bit of a an overlap around about 1 centimetre or so. Right, we just cut straight along the back of that, just like I'm doing there, and here we go. Our first sausage roll is basically made. I'm not going to cook them that big, of course, so we just keep continuing. Put down your hoisin mixture, roll them up just like that. Make sure we've got a nice little overlap. So these are too big to eat on their own. You can cut these up as big or small as you like. So we're just going to cut these ones in half today. Sometimes I like to go thirds. Sometimes I even like to make little party ones and just make them sort of like, yeah, 1.5 inch long sort of thing. Right. So we're going to cut those just like that. Poke a few little holes in the top. That's going to allow the steam to escape and keep our pastry nice and fluffy. So just poke a few little holes along the way, just like that. And look, I want these to be really nice and golden brown. So a little bit of beaten egg is going to give those a little bit of a brush, just like that. Mrs. KP's already got the oven sitting at 180 degrees Celsius for me, and before you know it, we're going to be sitting down and eating these amazing Peking chicken sausage rolls. They're going to go in the oven around about 20 minutes or so, or until they come out looking something like that. Had some leftover spring onion, put that on the side, serve it up with a little bit more of that sauce. That sauce is perfectly fine to eat. We have not touched any chicken with our brush at all. All we've touched is the pastry. Okay, so serve that up. Those dipping sauces work great, and the spring onion on the side, that little bit of fresh extra burst of onion flavour is amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It makes me really happy. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a little bit of fusion fast food just like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again after I eat my Peking chicken sausage rolls, and I will catch you next time. Bye.